Hi everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Light. This is Melanie and I'm in the craft room with another unboxing. I know, I've got a bit of stuff that's been coming in and I really need to start working. But pretty soon, be crafting, I think. So the Hip Kit Club kit always comes wrapped in this turquoise colored tissue paper, and I have just the scrapbooking kit this month. That's what I actually subscribed to. So let's see what goodies are in here. The kit, as always, comes in a Ziploc bag, which is how I store my kit until I'm finished using it. And by finished using it, I mean until I've used most of the supplies or I get bored with it and want to move on to something else, in which case I take what's left over and I break it up and stick it in with the rest of my stash. So let's have a look. First we have these rose thickers, and they're two-toned with a red and a pink with like a drop shadow on them. Those are kind of nice. They come with numbers and all uppers. We have from Kim Watson, so these would be a Hip Kit Club exclusive. It's called Fiesta Vibes, and they are a whole lot of florals. Those are awesome. I started working on one of my Dominican Republic trips, and I think this is going to look amazing with those. Also from the Vicky Bouton line are these watercolor stickers. Oh, you get a lot. Wow. I don't know if you can see all of that. Let me open this package so we can have a closer look. It just says mixed media watercolor stickers. Take these out. What do we got here? So there's an acetate sheet on the front. I guess that's probably just for demonstration purposes, but I think the packaging is kind of cool. Okay, so we've got some florals. What I love about these is you can tailor these to whatever color you want, right? It doesn't feel like traditional watercolor. I mean, it's definitely got a different texture than a flat paper, but it's not like traditional watercolor, right? So maybe it's more mixed media paper, I'm not sure. You get a bunch of labels and journaling boxes, more florals and feathers, labels. Oh, these birds are super cute. Labels, some, I don't know what you call them, kind of bohemian looking paisley-ish. Some word stickers, days of the week, months, and some labels, some butterflies and numbers and more florals and some little banners. That's very cute. I like those. We get some tassels. These are, oh, they're tassel bows. I don't know if you can see them. There's yarn tied in the middle with like a gold thread. Those are interesting. Pink Fresh. I love Pink Fresh. Puffy heart stickers. Oh my, this is like the collection of heart stickers. Look at how many you get. So you've got some more traditional standard heart shapes, and then you've got some of these funky ones, or you know, odd shaped hearts. That's the right word. And let me just feel what the texture is on these. Oh, I'm excited to use this collection. They are puffy, but they're not like super squishy puffy, if that makes sense. You can see the dimension on them. Oh, those are fun. I like those. Okay, let's look at the cardstock. So the first page here is Kim Watson Fiesta Vibes. It's called Love Me. It's got hearts. They're a bit irregular, so they're not perfectly solid. They look kind of painted-ish in the shape. And then on the other side is this floral. Very cute. It's got like a pink, an orange, a blue. So actually, if you look here at the color strip, those would be the range of the circles that are the flowers. Like that. Floral Fantasy, Fiesta Vibes by Kim Watson. I suppose you could fussy cut some of these out. It looks like, you know, you should be able to. Yeah, you definitely could. The other side, oh, is this rainbow. That's very cool. Very cool. Then we've got from Vicky Bouton, All the Good Things. This is the Little Things. And it does have like a watercolor painted background. So you can see it's got variegated color. And then it's got this Moroccan stencil look over top of it. And then this side is just a textured splotchy background. From Crepe Paper Good Vibes is this pinky purple color with the blue splotches or blue paint strokes on it. It's called Girls Night. And this one has these words, or not words, it looks like a word search. That's what I'm trying to think. Be curious to see if you can find any words in here and somehow build that into your layout. I don't know if that would be intentional or not, but would be interesting to check. This one is also Fiesta Vibes from Kim Watson. It's a circle with a drop shadow behind it, or a dot with a drop shadow. It's called Sweet Nothings. I've seen this pattern before, or something similar. I just can't remember who it's from. And this is this beautiful leaf motif pattern. Again, it's kind of got summer vibes, summer feel to it. So that's fun. Sorry about that. From the Good Vibes collection Crepe Paper, we got the cut apart sheet. I'm not too sure about the llama. But, you know, the bonus part with the cut apart sheets is you always get the other side. So, and it's a green painted stripe, you know, kind of smushed together. Did I tell you what this one was called? It's called So Chill. Also, another exclusive to Hit Kit is Blue Polka from the Fiesta Vibes, and within the little polka dots, it's got like a white. Not a white, it's got like a pink texture in the background, and then a black stripe, again more like a painted stripe. It's not a perfectly crisp one. And then last from Good Vibes is Magic, and it is a cork honeycomb pattern or hexagon pattern with pink outline, and then this side is like a color block, but with stripes going across it. That's interesting. This one, did I tell you? Yeah, it's called Magic. So that is the Hip Kit collection for January 2018. And looks like I'm going to have some fun with this. So thank you so much for joining me, and until next time, happy crafting.